Sears, bas ar draws y cae, tuag at Kenton, Williams yn ei methu hi. Kenton yn chwilio am rediad, Jamie Reid i roi'r Drenewydd ar y blaen o arbediad gan Matthew Hall. Fel roedd yr ergyd yn syth ato fo'n roedd hi'n ergyd pwerus ar arbediad yn wych. Cornel i'r Drenewydd, Murphy i'w chymryd ti. Shaw, oddi ar ben Braden Shaw. A modfeddi heibio'r postyn efo ond y dim i Shaw sgorio gol i rwyd ei hun. Cornel arall i'r Drenewydd, y tîm cartre'n pwyso. Hall cael ei ddwylo iddi. Wall, oeddi o'm yn ei llawer gwell chwaith. Kenton i groesi. Yn ôl i'r cwrt Cosby, Bangor dal heb glirio. Williams ar y foli! O, dros y bar, ond dyna chi waith da gan gapten y Drenewydd. Yn rheoli'r bel ac yn ei chodi ag ar y foli dros y bar. Wilson i Braden Shaw. Wall, cyfle i groesi. Hewitt! Rittenberg i Dorhwyd! Chwecha gol y tymor i dyn Rittenberg. O'n mynd am y gol oedd Hewitt a Rittenberg ar y foli Dorhwyd. Craig Williams i'w chymryd ti. Sears arbeniad lawr i Murphy. Ac mae'n nghefn yr Hwyd. A Jamie Reid sydd wedi sodli hi i ddod ar tîm cartre yn gyfartal am ddiffyn bler o grychwch ar y sgil. Hewitt i Sean Edwards yn croesi. O, mae Miley rhydd, Miley! Wel, nath o'n taro'r targed hyd yn oed. Cyfle uraidd i roi Bangor ar y blaen, ond yn ei smonach ohoni. Bale gyda'r gol geidwad Dave Jones. Ond mae Rittenberg yn cyflymu. Rediad a Rittenberg yn dwyn y Bale oddi ar Jones. Mae'r Bale yn rolio tuag at y gol ac mae'n nghefn ar Rwyd. O, be oedd Dave Jones yn ei wneud? Real gol geidwad yn trio bod yn glyfar. O roedd dyn Rittenberg yn llawer mwy clyfar rag o. Ac weitha, dau am ddiffynwr y rhedeg yn ôl. Ydy Bangor wedi ennill y gêm.
We're delighted today because it was a must-win for us. You know, if we're going to stay in touch with them teams at the top, which is what we want to do, it was really important that we won today. We said it before the game how important this game was to us, and we're delighted to come out with the win and obviously the 3 points.
Chris, you must be very disappointed.
Yeah, it's an understatement, I think. Probably more gutted really the way the game's been snatched away for us right at the end. I thought throughout the game we were the better team. I thought we were excellent really. We asked for a response after the last performances and results really more so than the performances, and I thought we got that today. I thought we were on the front foot. We were disappointed with the first goal. It's 3 phases really we need to do better at, but we probably had the better chances, and then the second half we camped them in their half. They couldn't get out. We're building pressure. The goal was was coming. We got it, and then you think there's only one side going to go on and win it, and then look, but the second goal's a calamity. It's a disaster for us. And we've ended up. I was thinking at 1-1. We don't even deserve to draw the game. It was a game we looked like we were going to win, and we've ended up getting nothing from it. And it's very, very, very disappointing.
We need to show a bit of everything today, I think, to win the game. Like I say, it was a much overdue win. But yeah, certainly had to show character. We did that. We put in a lot of effort into that performance today. The lads' effort was superb. It's exactly what we want from them. And we've now got to go again on Tuesday night against Aberystwyth. But we came here today to get the 3 points, and we're delighted to come away with that. We
showed a lot of good signs today. A lot of good signs against a very good team. So we can take the positives from that, but we have to be at that level next week against Carmarthen because we can't fall below that now. I just said that to the players. We've set the standards in terms of a performance, and we look like Newtown that we've probably been the last couple of seasons. You can see things now starting to gel and come. And look, we haven't had the points we deserve this year, we feel, but they will come, and we'll keep going, and we'll keep working hard.